Hey guys, I'm back again and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for those who subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. So in this video, I'll be showing you how I made this closure from the scratch. Just see the length. If you're interested to know how, keep watching. Alright, this is my week and this is the closure I've been managing with this week. I call it managing because it's so short. So I want to create a closure with some parts of hair. Okay, I managed to get this hair from my wig. I'll be using it for this closure. And this one, I'll be using it at the back of the closure line. So this is all you need with a DIY closure. This is my DIY net. Is 2x6 and my ventilating needle. For those of you who don't know about ventilating needle, it comes in different size of the needle. I'll be using 1 to 2 needle. So I'm fixing it because the previous one broke, so I'm fixing this one. In this tutorial, I'll be using two different shades of hair, a dark brown and a blonde. I'll be using my manique head to place the net for ventilating. One of the things I've been doing of recent is to place my net on a white paper to enable me to see clearly when I'm ventilating. After I'm done pinning down my net, I'll be cutting out the hair in different shades, one after the other. The reason why I'm doing this, I want to achieve a mixed blonde. Closure. Okay, next I'm using my foundation to give a center line. You can use any shade, any color that you want. I'm using a lighter shade to give a demarcation, to give me a guide when I'm ventilating. If you have been following my videos, I've ventilated some closure in my previous video. Like I said, remove the excess hair once you cut it out. Put the needle in a single hole. Pick 1 or 2 strands of hair. Sometimes you can even pick 3. Pull it out and tight. The ideal is to pull 1 or 2 strands of hair, but when you pull 3, just leave it then tight. Let's do it again. Pick 1 or 2 strands of hair, pull it out and tight. Okay, I started with a blonde one first and now I'll be using a dark shade. So what we want to do is to achieve a mixed blonde closure. Cut out the dark one, remove the excess hair. This is what I'm doing. Remove the excess hair and I'll be ventilating this dark hair beside the lighter hair. I'm going to do it just beside the lighter hair. And in this one, what I'm doing is to use the two shade. If the line is a blonde, then I will use the blonde and get to half of like quarter of the net, then use a darker one to complete it. This one I'm doing. If it's a dark one, I'm going to use it to quarter. For easy ventilation, it's best to use a hair to ventilate the line that you gave, which is the demarcation that you gave in the net. In this case, I'm using two different shades of hair, which means I'll be using the first one for 3 to 4 inches, then the second one for 3 to 4 inches, which is the light one for 3 to 4 inches, the dark one for 3 to 4 inches, till I'm done to the end. Then at the end, I'll be using my dark crochet, which is the simplest one for this one. After I'm done giving the net a line, I'm going to be ventilating all through. I'm done ventilating, and this is how it looks like. This is how the mixture of the hair looks like. I'm spraying the water to enable it to lay down flat for the moment. If this video was helpful for you, give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to be part of the family and to get more of my videos. Thank you for staying through.